I'm Gerard du Plessis from Pretoria. I'm currently staying in Pretoria, and at this moment I'm an estate agent, but I was a farmer for 36 years, irrigation farmer and drylands, and we producing crops like potatoes, maize, wheat, dry beans, sorghum, and popcorn. Yeah, popcorn was one of our produce yields. I'm also a tractor mechanic, and with a Red Seal certificate, and that is my experience. I also had the big tractors, New Holland G240, and I drove it by myself for 11,000 hours. I had it for 11 years. And when I sold the farm, the tractor was also sold with it. And my other tractors was a Ford and Fiat. The Fiat was 980 dual track 4x4 tractors, and the Ford tractors was a 7.6 tractor, also 4x4. That my workers was working with them, and my planters was a John Deere and Massey Ferguson planters, and the John Deere harvester, the combines, was the 9770 STS dual bullet rotor, and I was harvesting then in USA with a McDon headers, 40 feet. And my combines was the Lexion, Claas Lexion 570. I've got two of them with Claas headers for wheat and Geringhof headers for them. The 8-ray upfold header that was easily to travel from town to town, and it was much easier for me then. But at this moment, I'm looking for work in America to help harvesters, the contractors there, harvest the farms of farmers there. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.